Good morning children. Now we see about Geography lesson 1 rocks and soils. Okay. Today I will teach about soils. Okay. In previous class we discussed about rocks. Isn't it children? Yes. Just recall. Okay. Let's recall the rocks. Okay. Now I will explain the rocks. Okay. Rocks. Type of rocks. What are the type of rocks? Anybody know? Yes. Igneous rocks. Sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks. Okay, these are the type of rocks. Then characteristics of rocks. Then rock cycle. These are the topics we discussed already in the previous class. Okay, children. Now let us go to soil and its formation. Okay, how anybody know how it's the soil is formation? Yes, the parent rock. Okay, the parent rock, climate, topography, organism, time, these all the process finally get into the soil. Okay children? Yes, soil is a mixture of organic matters, minerals, gases, liquid and organism that together support life. Okay, these all the formation is finally into the soil. Soil minerals from the basic of the soil. Okay, soil mineral is the basic of the soil. Okay, the soil is the surface of the earth. Okay, it's known for its skin of the earth. Okay, already I told you the crust also is the skin of the earth. The same thing, soil of the skin of the earth. Soil are formed from rocks. Okay, dear. Okay, how it's formed? The pressure of weathering and natural erosion, water, wind, temperature changes, gravitational, chemical. Okay, these are the things is happen, interact in the living organism and pressure different all help break down the parent materials. Okay, parent rock and these are the reasons is broke out. Finally, the rock, parent rock is get into the loose materials. Okay, then you are getting into the soil. Okay, this is a very useful for the vegetables, plants growth. The human life, the soil is the very important thing. That's why the every year, okay, every year December 5 we celebrate the World Soil Day. Okay, children. Okay. Next, soil composition. Okay, the basic components of soil are minerals, organic matter, water and air. These are the basic components of soil. Okay, it consists about 45% of minerals, 5% of organic matter, 25% of water and 25% of air. Okay, these are the composition of soil. Okay, children. The composition of soil varies from place to place and time to time. Okay children. Next I show you for one by chart. Okay. See, air is 25%, water 25%, mineral particle 45%, remaining 5% only in the organic matter. Soil profile. See here, the soil profile is defined as the vertical section of the soil from the ground surface and extend downwards. Okay. Next, classification of soil. Soil are classified on the basis of their formation. This formation means that different type of classification, color, physical and chemical properties. Based on these, soil is classified into 6 major types. What are the 6 major types? The alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil and desert soil. These are the 6 major types of soil. I will explain in the alluvial soil. These soils are found in the region of river valley, floodplains and coastal region. Okay, these are the formed by the deposition of slit by running water. Running water nala the alluvial slit one place is deposited. It is the most productive of all the soils. Okay, they are suitable for cultivation of sugarcane, jute, rice, wheat and other food crops. These are the crops well grown in this alluvial soil. Okay, let us see on the black soil. These soils are formed by weathering of igneous rocks. Okay, black soil formatted from the igneous rocks. Black soil is clay in nature. It is the residues of the moisture. It is ideal for growing cotton. Okay, alluvial soil is good for the sugarcane, rice, paddy. These are the things is the alluvial soil. Black soil only the cotton is good in cultivation. Next go to red soil. These soils are formed by weathering of metamorphic rocks and crystalline rocks. The presence of iron oxide make the soil brown to red in color. Okay, the red soil வந்து red color இருக்கிறதுக்கான reason the presence of iron oxide. Red soil most of the what they presented means iron oxide. That's why the red soil into the brown to red in color. It is usually found in semi-arid region. It is not a fertile soil. Okay, red soil is the not a fertile soil. It is suitable for millet cultivation. Red soil is suitable for millet cultivation. Okay, next go to laterite soil. These are the typical soil of tropical region. These soils are found in the region which experienced alternate wet and dry conditions. As the soils are formed by the process of leaching, it is infertile. It is suitable for plantation crops like tea and coffee. Next go to mountain soil. These soils are found over the slopes of mountain. Soils in these regions are thin and acidic. Okay dear. However, characteristics of the soil differ from region to region based on the altitude. Next go to desert soil. These are the sandy soil found in the hot desert region. These soils are porous and saline. Since it is infertile agriculture, in these soils are not so successful. Okay children, these are the type of soil. First one in the alluvial soil, second one what, anybody know? Yes, second one black soil, third one red soil, fourth one laterite soil, fifth one mountain soil, sixth one desert soil. These are the important type of soil. Next we go to soil erosion. Soil erosion is the removal or destruction of the top layer of soil by natural forces and the human activities. Okay, human activities nalayum natural forces nalayum soil enadhu removal aayirudhu one place to another place. That is called the soil erosion. Soil erosion reduce the fertility of the soil. Okay, soil erosion nala what is happen means the fertility will be reduced. So if the fertility reduced aachina what is happen? Yes, the agriculture productivity reduce aayirudhu. Okay, what are the main reason for the soil erosion means running water and wind. Okay, these are the main agents of soil erosion. Now I will go to that explain for the types of soil erosion. First one, seed erosion, rilly erosion and gully erosion. These are the major type of soil erosion. Okay dears. Next I will show to you layers of soil. Okay, see, just you want to see the picture. First of all, the beneath, you must want to see the beneath. Red rock, bedrock, then parent material, subsoil, topsoil, then finally into the come up in the surface is the organic layer. Okay dear, the organic layer only the possible to for plants. Okay, next the given below in the one box layers of soil. Soils or layers box is given there. You can read it. Okay children. Next I will go to soil conservation. How you want to conserve the soil. Okay, that is the meaning of soil conservation. Soil conservation. Sir, what purpose we want to conserve the soil? Yes, soil conservation is the process of protecting the soil from erosion to maintain its fertility. Fertility maintain பண்ணனும்ங்கற purpose தான் we need soil conservation. Okay, next the methods that are the widely practiced for conserving the soil or afforestation. Okay, afforestation பண்ணும்போது what is the meaning of afforestation? Yes, growing of plants. Okay, growing of plants is means to afforestation. Okay, afforestation is needed for soil conservation. Very good children. Next, control grazing, construction of dams, crop rotation, drip farming, contour flucking, terrace farming, these shifting cultivation, these are the type of soil conservation. Okay dear. Next, uses of soil. Let us go to uses of soil. Anybody know? Any guesses? What are the uses of soil? Yes, this is a main important for soil. So plants, okay, plants growth agadhukku it need the soil. Soil is one of the important natural resources. Yes, it is the basic requirement for plant growth. Okay, plant growth illena we can't live because we are getting the food from the plant, isn't it children? Yes, that's why uses of soil is the very important. So growth and support various life forms of the earth. Okay, not only for plant growings, there's some tiny animals are living, insects are living in the soil. Okay, that's why they're giving the support various life form of the earth. Okay, next. First one, how to use அப்படின்பது the minerals present in the soil enhance the nutrients for the crops and plants. Okay, soil மூலியமா தான் என்ன the nutrients of the plants and crops is getting. It is used to making ceramics or pottery. Okay, soil வச்சு என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? Ceramics. What is the meaning of ceramics? Yes, பீங்கான் கப்பு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? Yes, the ceramics and clay pottery இதெல்லாம் we can doing in the soil. Okay, it is the sources of materials for constructions and handicraft work. Okay, handicraft work பண்றதுக்கு soil is the important. It act as a natural fertilizer of water and purify it. Soil support ecosystem and play an important role in land management. Land management is a very important for surroundings needed இருக்கணும்னா it's a support for ecosystem. Rocks and soils are the important renewable natural resources. Okay, that's why from the beginning rocks and soil is the very important for the renewable resources. What is the meaning of renewable resources? Yes, புதுப்பிக்கக்கூடிய again and again is use பண்ணிக்கலாம் rocks and soils. Both of them play an important role in everyday life of human being as well as economic development. Human life ko நம்ம country economical development ஆகணும்னா it's need for the rocks and soils. Okay, nowadays rocks based companies are increased which provide employment to sizable populations. Okay, populations increase in the situation periods there. Their rock based companies they are doing some job opportunity for regarding the purpose. Okay, rocks lende work kudukranga. Okay, soils attract human settlement and other economic activities. As India is an agriculture country, isn't it children? You all know very well. Backbone of India is, what is that? The agriculture. Yes, as India is the agriculture country, the proper management of soil resource will be lead to sustainable food productions. Okay, sustainable food productions increase பண்ணனும்னா we need soil conservation. Okay, it is used for various other purpose, not only for the food purpose, other purpose also is need the conservation. So the soil resources must be conserved. Okay children, thank you. Let us see on the next video.